Hey everybody, how's it going? Yeah, I got a problem here. I think something is plugged up in where the condensate goes, and I see a kind of a hole right there too. And there's like a kind of a mist of water coming out of here when it's on. I don't know, I don't think it's been doing it for more than a day, but I noticed that just a little while ago. I went out and sprayed it down back there, but excuse me. I went out and got my funnel, and I'm gonna be pouring some hot water from the microwave in those spots in hopes that maybe it's just that goopy crap that builds up sometimes. I can't really get the camera in here while I do it, so I'll have to stop the video and that kind of stuff. So it has jumped up to 74 in here, and that's how quickly it jumps from like I think it was like 71 in here when I shut it down to go out and do some work on it on the other side, and that didn't seem to make a difference. So yeah, it heats up very, very quickly in this small place. Alright, I got it back together. Let's see. I don't know if the camera will pick up, but let's switch it over to the cool mode here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm hoping that fixed it. Otherwise, I'll have to put another 2 cups of microwave water down on each side again, and flush it with a pitcher of water on both sides. I don't notice the mist coming out anymore, but the way this thing is, it like seems to suck off the water from the condenser, or whatever the hell you call that thing. That slips my mind at the moment. It's like, seems like it's pulling that water off of there and misting it out. I did try and get this thing to tilt back more. You don't have to bring anything like that up. I know better about the tilting, but I kind of adjusted it in there a little bit more, so there's more of a tilt back. Alright, it looks like it's doing okay, and I can finally get cooled off again because I'm melting in here. Thanks for watching.